China.
Oh boy, some business! Finery!
Feel that lung tumor growing already. This is looking way too complicated already.
We need uppy downy machine.
Uppy downy machine. Why does your mini split have a hole in it? I would laugh if you went up a little too high and it whacked you right in the forehead.
Shake hands with danger.
One, stop. There. Camera.
In you go.
Wow! I see light through the little hole.
It's a
Fucking hot up here, bud.
All right, ready for a line set?
The dark side of doing HVAC that nobody shows you.
So right now we are going to be getting the line set hooked up. We have to run the wire from the main unit to the head unit, and I got to support the condensate line in that crawl space area along the wall on the inside. But right now we're gonna get the outdoor unit hooked up, and I'm gonna try to pull a vacuum on it while I'm running the electrical, because you need to pull a vacuum, make sure you don't have any leaks, and then that has to sit for at least 30 minutes under vacuum to not see a drop, and then we can go ahead and let the refrigerant in. So let's go ahead and get the line set hooked up. So the easiest thing I always tell people is when you're doing these line sets, when you're unrolling your line, leave that last little 90 there because it's already pre-bent for you and you're not gonna fight it. It also keeps your from kinking it. If you're really worried about kinking your lines, the best thing you can do is actually just go and buy a bender for it. We put this one high up in the air because we didn't have enough line set and I didn't want to splice running anything else or running extensions. I'm not a heating and air guy, so take my advice slightly. But I think this is like the second dozen mini split I've installed. People like the Mr. Cool units, they're a lot easier. Mr. Cool just has their pressure where the line set's already vacuumed. It's a quick connect fitting like you would see on a John Deere tractor or some hydraulic line pretty much. That's the only fancy part about them is their quick connect fitting, which all these other manufacturers could use or do. The best thing is to hold your line set. I get the flare right on there, hold the flare, and then tighten my nut down. And once it's snug, you're good. And we just gotta torque it down. This little itty bitty line, I don't know what's I don't know what the size, pretty much 1/4 inch. This one's always the worst one. But you can twist it. It's up. You are supposed to torque these. My crescent wrenches are pre-calibrated. You should always support the shut off here. Click, click. It's good and snug. What happens is people over torque these and they break them. Right now, we are setting up the vacuum pump to pull vacuum on this. Doesn't matter if it's ugly as long as it works, right?
Where's your wife at?
Inside. Alright.
Mount out?
Yeah. Alright, turn the valve. Open. Alright. We're pulling vacuum. See how it's slowly dropping still? Some moisture. That's air coming out. So normally it's about -27, -28 this pump will pull. We let pull vacuum for about 10 minutes and then we'll close our valve. Well, actually we'll probably close out the vacuum pump and make sure that it's still holding vacuum for half an hour. All right, we have held vacuum at -25 mercury. Mercury? Is that what those read at? Inches of water? Oh, it's we've been reading -25. So when using the Harbor Freight kit and the Harbor Freight vacuum kit, you have to buy the adapter for the mini splits. So that's an Amazon buy. They don't have it in the store. But my rule of thumb is I let it sit for about a half an hour. Make sure you're holding vacuum. Since we've been holding vacuum, we can go ahead and close this, pull our adapter off, put the cap on, and then we can go ahead and open up the Freon. I've never heard of which one's better to open. It doesn't really matter because the system fully pressurizes itself. Since the liquid tight's kind of in our way, they'll be pulled off to the side. We're probably gonna have to go get another set. My brass cap is up top here. Pull all this. Just so you know, there is a needle valve in here. So once you remove it, if you remove it fast enough, you're actually gonna keep that vacuum in the system. So we'll cap that back off. And we're gonna pull our 2 caps here. When you do these Allen wrenches, I don't remember what size it is right offhand, but you need to back them all the way off to the clip. If you only open them up part of the way, you will actually fry the pump because it has too much resistance. I can't remember if these are metric or standard. Probably metric. Yeah. 3/16 is loose. And I know you guys in the comment section are probably gonna be like, "Oh, we knew it was 5 millimeters. You've been doing this long enough, you would have realized it." All right, I like to do the big one first, and Joel might be able to listen to it. There goes it. There it goes. We'll back this all the way up. All the way until it stops. There we go, it stopped. You see, it's all the way up against that ring. That's what it looks like before. So you gotta back it all the way up. And make sure you do both of them. And I hear a little bit of pressure going through that one. All right. Those are open. We can close these up now. The reason why you want to check for vacuum is for leaks, because these systems are pre-charged, and if you're installing your own mini split, I know you're not calling an HVAC guy to come out and refill it, because they're going to charge you double because you did the work. That's how I would look at it. You installed it, double the cost. Alrighty, grab my screwdriver and we'll put the cover on. Look at that, nice and covered. It has gotten windy out. All right. And then we'll eventually, I'm gonna get another piece of liquid tight and run this longer. 6 feet wasn't enough, I need like 10 to do what I really want. But that's a problem for, I'm on camera, that's a problem for another day. All right, moment of truth. Again. There we go.
Well, we got the mini split installed. That was another like 1,600 bucks well spent. Be able to stay a little cooler in here now. Be able to get more work done, make more money. I want to thank Spencer for giving me a hand with this, using his vacuum pump, crawling around in that hot ass attic. And I guess that's about it for today. So we'll see you guys next time. We got a lot more projects ahead.